How to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up Google Maps. And once you do that, say for example, I want to pin this hotel right here. What I need to do is simply just click on it. And once you do that, you will get this pop-up window right here, in which you will need to scroll this menu right here to the right till you find the save option. Once you have found it, click on it. And as soon as you do that, you will get this new page right here, in which it tells you to save that location to a list. You can either pick from these ones right here, as you can see, say for example, want to go, or you can create a new list, say for example, hotels. You can give it a description, my go-to hotels, and you can make it private, public, share it, whatever. Once you have done that, click on create, and as you can see, this hotel has been added to your hotels list. It has been pinned to your hotel list. So let's go back and say for example, let's choose another location. Say for, as you can see, it has been, the color and the category has been changed. It used to be pink, now it's green. It means that it has pinned. So let's go ahead and choose another example. Say for example, this hotel right here. I want to pin this hotel too, so I will click on it and I will save it just like the same one. I will add it to this list. You can add a note about this place, and once you do that, click on done, and as you can see, it has been saved. So you can do this with whatever, like with restaurant, with coffee shops, with anything. You can even pin random locations. Just click on it. As you can see, this is a random location, and I can pin it and save it in my list also. So how can you access this list after we have pinned these multiple locations? At the bottom of the screen, you will see there's a list, and there's the saved uh, section. If you clicked on it, you will access this section right here. As you can see, it shows you your recently saved, and it shows you the categories that you saved them, the list. Here it says hotels, as you can see. And if you scroll down, you'll find your lists, as you can see right here, which you can access. If you just clicked on the hotels list, you will be able to access it, and it will show you, as you can see here, your pinned locations, as well as if you see the map, it will show you your pinned location, as you can see right here. It's that easy and simple, and you can do it for whatever category you want. As I said, you can do you can pin the restaurant locations, the hotels, I don't know, parks, doctors, coffee shops, anything you want, libraries, whatever. This is just, I showed you how to do it, and you can apply it to anything else. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can pin multiple locations on Google Maps. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.